And today we're going to be opening this fan that might also be a heater. It could also be a heater. I think that turns it to a fan. It automatically turned off. So this was what I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed the video.